Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safe power and grounding. This prevents noise and damage. Once done, connect the source to in and output to OUT using balanced cables to reduce hum. Make sure input trim is near 0 dB and engage bypass so you can compare dry and process signals. Now, power the unit and watch the meters at unity. This gives you a neutral baseline. From here, you're ready to move into threshold and ratio adjustments with predictable headroom. You now tune threshold and ratio to shape dynamics. Lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter reads about 26 dB on louder passages, because that keeps the sound natural. Then choose a ratio, 2, 1 for gentle control up to 6, 1 for tighter leveling, and add makeup gain to restore perceived loudness. Next, adjust attack between 1 and 30 ms and release around 50 to 300 ms while listening. This changes punch and sustain. You finish by performing an A/B bypass test to verify the compressor improves consistency without introducing pumping or dullness. Once satisfied, save the preset or note exact settings and lock controls if the unit supports it. If you hear distortion or unwanted artifacts, first reduce input level, then lower the ratio or lengthen attack time. These changes reduce gain reduction stress. Finally, make small incremental tweaks and recheck meters. This confirms stability and preserves the source's character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.